Hello there, pretty faces. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll do a hair tutorial. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Shrinkage is for real. Now I'm just going in with my argan oil just to moisturize my hair before starting with the process. I'm mostly just making sure I'm rubbing it into my scalp. For today's look, I'll be using foam rollers that I bought from Walmart and Contour Define and Shine Custard. So I just part my hair at the back. There's no particular way that I do it, so I just part it like ear to ear. I made sure that I clip my hair back. So I'm going in with the Shine and Define Custard and I'm just putting that in a small section of my hair. After that, I detangle just to make sure everything is untangled before I start with the rolling process. There's no particular way that I roll it in, but I do start with the ends and I make sure the ends are rolled in before I start rolling. Please note that I pull the hair away from the scalp so that I am able to stretch my hair, because you all know shrinkage is for real. Once again, I'm just showing you the curling way that I do it, and again putting the hair away from the scalp just to stretch it and make sure that you secure those foam rollers. I didn't particularly follow any parting technique. All I did was just like go with the flow. I literally did it go with the flow, curl my hair and ja. So before I go to bed, I just make sure I put a scarf on or a hair wrap or a doek on my hair, and then I went to sleep so my hair can air dry while I sleep. Now you can see my makeup is all done, but that's not the reason why we're here. Now I'm just undoing my foam rollers, and as you can see, I also use some of that argan oil on my hands to just make it easier to undo my hair and still give it that moisture and shine that I need. Now I'm just gonna part some of the curls. Like most of my curls, I just parted it to give me a more fuller look and just to define the curls that I did obtain from using the foam rollers. And then off camera, I just quickly used an afro comb to kind of lift the curls up to give it a fuller look, to look more luscious curls. So yeah. Personally, I don't think I'll ever do foam rollers again because I don't get the curls that I really wanted. And then secondly, if you're gonna curl your hair, do not use the Shine and Define custard. Do not use the Shine and Define custard from Kantu because after a while it left so much residue in my hair. Ew. This is the final look, pretty faces. I was a bit disappointed about how it turned out, but it was sure worth a try. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, pretty faces. Mwah.